adwena leader odo omo free military eba ye betena so the free 1992 ebesi the year 2000 otwa ne mrewie ya okono Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings the bra o serve wie ye no confusion na yire no na oye no ho hwe enyere enye yie nti na say NDC ekope new candidate ba at that time na MPP atikuo no foforo na fena yenya emfie nwotwe 1992 to the year 2000 elections na ya lusu 92 abokoto parliamentary na ya lusu 96 Emma Jerry John Rawlings biti kofo 1.5 million votes nkrana omuti social media omu ye na say no they don't know that history. Omu need data on what happened in 1996 general election between Kofuor. Rawlings between close to 1.5 million. Close to 1.5. At that time, now for the party na yede, Abronye Abu. Ntiebe ko 2000 yebe ye ni. But na NDC di atena danmo hu say abana yebe kono. Some people say candidate here NDC will win. Me twi wadwena si wo ba kai na yira fi because maya ne ma unhia de Abronye ya kama edi me kai pa ma hu sa enti sa wo ba kai MPP primaries in 1998 na NDC esisi akire trying to manipulate the process say it's a Kufuor lusu sa elections no yenim nkrofo binuma na omone NDC nye fine but ye be kosa abato no NDC fa omo adamfo se be ya sa nkrofo no mom weni a ebebo omo ni nti omo adopt sa strategy no NDC in 1998 no mom pese Kufuor be winning MPP primaries because womo twa NDC ni mu a womo marketing candidate bia womo fa candidate bia nko abato because Rawlings eko nti so womo ye mistake pe asema to womo nti Kufuor de yempena ni mayere ahwe nienti na mo pe new candidate ni say womo so the new candidate beba enti ese MPP so the new candidate ba menu nyina gina the same scale Ghana fo nim wo men so Ghana fo nyere enim na kyese ababa yese ye pemko de a when what advantage the one in government munim no do your own research. Ewo wiase abato nyina. Baby a two candidate besia. Omu ye new candidate for the two major political parties no. Omu ye new candidate to the two major political party no. Incumbent government no win.
Incumbent said as the yedimu no. Another ye familiar, very familiar.
Yes, I want the abandoned so na mo di new candidate eko. Yeah. Nti say baby ebekwa abatuo bia asi sa political parties ni mienu the new candidate na eba political party a oteso at that time no e advantage over wow the new candidate a your opposition
because your market no dada ana
that be so your friend say incumbency advantage
incumbency okay it is well known
yes but so coming you now koko wia NDC no muni old candidate into no mo pese MPP the new candidate but in the year 2000 until omo prayer anye ye MPP delegates at the time EPA no mo say no we made a mistake changing Aduboahin na adwene bata chire ni say yes san do boahe a ye benya power 96 but we lost enti yes san candidate going into 2000 elections in India and we besana lusu enti delegates ni constituency for nyina omuko siaye e wo sunyan Christ the common dabi the 1995 presidential prime minister MPP yes san do boahe it was a mistake so this time round yen san kofo ya de kofo no beko nti omoto aba no kofo won I didn't call for the second time. And this is Sukoyi, a Professor Mens. Now on call presidential elections. And the year Baba call run of 43-48. Unim Nienti Anako 4 years ahead of Atames. Nienti a year 2000 Nako 4 years ahead of Atames and say, one Ghana. Ababia ye beto bia na sympathy vote aye de ewo na sa sympathy vote no metima ka kiro say emu 65% aye man na de ba e ma wo sa humobro no oh papa ina
said ipa no wakobio na
wanya na oba biem no onya ne ye frɛ no sympathy vote. Oh, papa, idia nano wanya ya me ya pa o. Afi we dia meto ama no. Eno ne ye ka no say sympathy vote no. Enti ya ba kwa 2000 elections no. Na ta mesi nkwa abato da. No ne former president Kufuor di ko gina mu. Kufuor kwa abato the year 96 ya Ghana fo nim no. Nti wadi nkukuo. Ena oba biem ye maso no na atamese ye dai eda fam because na holding will fam to beat an old presidential candidate in the opposition party that is J.A. Kufuor na atamese afena na NDC de ne kwakere Ghana fo nti no ni ahoden obetima ye dai abiti Kufuor enti wamo kase Drama manya 56% na binsi dano. Sam rantie ne yenuanom nketoa ne yenuanom ma binum ayamo mu sikati social media ekeka nyina no. Wo mu ni fast bia abatane omo ka no. The year 2000 abato no. President Kufuor had 56%. Yeah. Entima obia by force young fa presidential candidate ne manu nkodada mabunu bi ntra social media ne WhatsApp platform so en kase Ghana ha yen to aba I been see that's obi anya 56%. In any case Lawrence anya 57 da Kufuor abenya 56 da na no JM ye den 56 inti sa record no ye wo na party a yete ne foforo ne yakọ abato ne mienu so no ma biti e close to 1.5 million yabama mu yetimi bete kan we ne sa election no with that same candidate okay what about here running Sibuya for the second time close to 1.5 million from and to the masses against President Kufuor in the 1998 presidential primaries was that said ye yesia lusu aba from frano ye sande Kufuor kokora na and NDC babu ye close to 3 million. That was their message here as far as na omone mampanyin dada Kufuor ko pre no message no omode nam the whole Ghana no that time 10 regions message no omode nam no so ucha 1 close to 1.5 million there ye de ne kokora ontimi. And so constituency executives at the time it take a bold decision say ye ntimi nte kora ye de ne beko yeah Samo se Kufuor ntimi nte 1.5 million votes no kora na ye de Kufuor beko because o man buy sansem na other aspirant ne ye dey e katia kofo ne ye de kofo koy ne ye kowe ne ye
the year 2000
no ye timbete kano man this dey ka close 1.5 million na and this BT 96 no ye bete kano overturning everything.
Yeah.
Where there ye voter turnout a year over 85% and no mobiti yes I know.
Yes, apathy. I don't know kwesi broni friend apathy.
And no mobiti that mean can antecession voter turnout na over 80%.
Oh, 96 voter turnout. Okay,
yes,
over 80. Yeah.
No mobiti. But the repeating former president Kofi no but the
same candidate.
MNDC edeka. And nay NDC atnasia who say adie to omo 25 years ago no. Abako semu babe repeat ne ho 2028. NDC ni bia ni wa keke wodi ne hyedanum ka kire ne say mo peba omia 2028 ya. Omo ye happy because no candidate omo nam sisi ya no and ye known than Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no boa ka me boa
say omo ayo mu push ne say oh buy kwa ya bono femfram am say ya bono poto timo sa de no ba
aye kasa hunu
ya be sa bodo
aye kasa hunu MPP ya kan bi kire NDC eye kasa wo kra wo TV say MPP ye winning power we ye no ye di dwa ye no de 27 hunu sanum dwa wo kra keke wo kan bi
oh I know there
ada ye winning 2016 a wo tena akire ha ya wo gigi sisui one get this power the omo mother
yeah because I don't know the it was the reality and to scare them to put the fear of God
let me tell you almost see you Bawumia wa kwa ba eye obi achechina ba force yemfa frabera ne ma no na se Bawumia nya 38 memwa but electoral commission no na polling station for me MPP polling station for only nenta meji wo mu de no woman kan kire say ma megina ba and me no mo ya adwene de wanya bia na wodi ko campaign ya posters no be chia wo mo no mo nye so sisi o mo gentia and mesha o mo kran so bia obaba o mo ho bia no mo nye nchia no bi me no mo ya adwene
o mo kan kire say
dabi ana o be kan kire say ti owu wo bibi wadi kana nanso o TV so ye sikani na wate se sikani ba be sramia no aka tem se mamma ana abato no kra nko na oba me ntoma no delegate ana be yesa o de braba kan wasem nako aba wo mu wo ho experience pa nti ura ba kan wasem nako yesi yewura Bawumia nya 41% wanya de meboa keke in your own candid opinion a certain president the current president no the sitting president in his government that is part 1
2013
JM part 1 mechanic JM part 1 no sitting president and no call 2016 abato and no 44% remember sitting president a general election and 44%. Vice president oya presidential candidate eko abatuo enya 41% ya wo ye teacher ni na se sisa ankofo no mienu bo ma ba so na bo na ba so
sen ye ne oya vice president yo metina akonya no so da
no
ontina akonya no so da
ontina akonya so ana we de no ye mampanyini ana opie ye na okwa abatuo ochini Ghana nyina ana omma no 44% ana odiko okutna to me kitano ana ye man 44% ana ye wa vice president no abaye political party bi presidential candidate wakwa abato anya 41%. Ɔne ne president onya 44 no. Omienu pa no. Si yesi Ghana for transmit ahwana wakasa waya.
And yes, vice president, no vice president or saba. Because on the time was hard by a limited. I know the truth be told.
Until president nya 44. Na vice nya 41%. Why na yadi?
Too close to score. Too close to call. But then vice president on a absolute to me
a ceremonial position.
Yes.
Vice president position no a ceremonial. So nim sade. Enti ono de oni to me bia na akonya kase no ntena so. Na wakwa abato anya 41.
Ya kwa ne yama na ye akono vice president. MPP ne yama na ye akono.
Enna president akwa abato anya 44. Ono no NDC fo no timi repackage no. Aya repackaging e de ne ba ma ne be di president bi. But vice president ya onye president da na onni tumi a ye di bu man e de sa adwenkyere ne suggestion na oba suggest a kire ne boss no ono kwa abato onya 41% ya MPP for will problem with that wanyade but minim say Ghana for a fat president Mahama ne 44% no ne say ye even researcher bia ni ho be proper analysis no be catch say President Mahama 44% onya 2016 no ye papa chamber omia 41%. No researcher and be say meboa. So MPP delegates young say President Mahama nya 44%. Na NDC year repackaging edini ba biem no man ka say or bad candidate. No, mo didn't buy a Sunday bar meaning said 3 elections 2016, 2020, 2024. 3 elections. Omari packaging no Ajanaba Manabe the president.
Yeah, and now you're president.
No, a president, you can't take it away from him. And I'm telling you one year. A bet ni history now one making a bet take years and then obi aba be make bi. Yan kan no kure ma ye.
So wakot 9 years.
Asana ba biem no
8 years. No wasaba.
Hey, me say yan we year a bet take years and then say history politician bi aye am make bi. And it is a fact you can't take it away from John Dramani Mama any NDC. And enya ono na aye o. Enya President Mahama na aye ade o. The NDC as a political party. Yeah. And I dear say, you do be a quabato when you're 44% a sitting president. I want to man 45, when you're 46, when you're 47 president and not here kunyaso. Your man sooner kunyan and 9 in our career. Na NDC a tima kwa shedanum akase nyare. Wahwe asema netie aye ne ho nanso yemfa ne nkwa adwade nkwadware no ne yenye ne Abronye beka ne se repackaging
yeah
ne yemfa ne nkọ na ni daso ye dai ewom ama sa nipa na benya 56% president you ento amo ka kire ye se NDC atima ye we dia MPP ye de yentime repackaging Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, Emane Marinia Ba because fortunately for MPP, 2028 election said the President Mahama Akano. Ni dini any imponi and my ballot paper so. And to repackaging Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumiano and this in happy. Because you repackaging Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia then call Ghana for nim ne da said your mo repackaging Mahama Ghana for nim no I am telling you say 2028 elections no ube hu ba bia susan de body hu be kwa kwede be kwa kogu enti esa hu say abato ye koi bia no 99% of senior members omo wani wan this no wo mo mpe ba omia because bibia to omoda. NDC presenting a new candidate in say your fourth elections we know the fourth republic ayeko elections no emwa omombelusu. And to a matrasia analysis said 25 years ago something bad happened to the party and so man she said near man year Sanyama ana eto omo manye happy no ebasana to omo and whether they like it or not ebeto omo 2028 if only say MPP delegates ebehwe history no omo de ato aba say ye the old candidate and the confesi NDC new candidate in the year 2000 na Kufuor akobida na Atames nkoda and a Ghana for say Atames Kufuor na akobida nti emfa to me nyare Emma Kufuor and here we near some people polling station executives in constituency in regional etimi transit the sa abakosem yi adwuma and this pe wo pe and said the omunsinim no 2028 repackaging Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia for 2028 election is a done deal for MPP. It's a done deal.
Yeah.
Now, and Crawford back to that same at 1.5 million Rollins DBT and at the Amebwa. The issue of say your politics, your or Ghana and your papa. This week, I think Monday or so, any week, last week, and any week, New York City PA Mokwa Kotwaba. Mayor, our Muyino Fofro. Now, New York City, how the place is populated. As soon as Ghana, remember, New York City. Yeah, many. The next word the cry a Fraha Ghana. Any pay gumno, any population, yeah, many. Remember, any probably 50 million to 60 million and a 2 about New York City. No more per mayor. Let's just say, Kuroti Ghana hanging, I don't know. But Ghana times 6. And no more, no more per mayor. A home crown by the mayor to say Kumasi mayor near you know what the Akasia pa to say mayor ban modu. When we see a year now a year New York City a yes a Ghana sa times 5 for no. Omukoto abanu ni niponya. Let me also tell you that New York City a Christopher mo honom no 97%. Omu believe in Christianity.
Okay.
A Christopher 97%. Womu shia ya na bato no nipa 9 or miensa mo kwa abato no. A Christopher mienu nkramo nipa we ne ye no eye kramo Kwame Mabdan
City.
Yes, and then we Kramonia Brantia, you know, 34 years. And Omuko. I saw one banning in Ano, and yet Presby Obiko, and yet Methodist Obiere, and yet Nunti, and Yekotuaba, Namu Yahase. Where the activity didn't know why a team will say. Obetima move New York City to a different level. Nti yemfa na mara na omodena ba na omato abaye ne amano nti obi betena ha na ba omi akora ntima amfa zongo votes ama zongo votes no ye boa omanu gu wase obi na nkofo omomara na Mibisa question. Zongo votes for no person say Zongo votes for the
MPP Juma dia. And it's the responsibility.
Wamo ke kasa ne nyina no. Go to their constituency. Me dia sin central example na nwumre ya ma. Ukwa sin central omo to aba wo ho no. A Christopher ewo mu nkwan e be ye say 95 to 96% asin central. Christian dominated constituency. Unum nipo ye MP wo. Ye to about 2024 no. NDC near Owini Asin Central eye Kramoni. Nti abana se na oja Asin Central ho. A Kramoni di MP. Na abeduru Kumasi a waka se a Christopher mpe Kramoni. But wo kwana no a wo da sore no a Christopher ekoto abama Kramoni. It means say woni message. Wo de ane say obeda asore no na ntokwa si Ghana wanu masem na namu. Nti ano so no sa asem na enya adwuma. Wo de anu ye message no wo konse Swansea. Ebia wadi MP wo 24 years no. Kramoni abaji city no afri MPP nsem. Eye NDC yi. Enti ye mo ankramo vote ngu babi. Ghana ni ba bia kwa akoto aba na onkonkoto aba ohwe the economic situation no. Ana onkonkoto aba so a ewo no reason onkonkoto aba. Enti akire ono atena se na so say me boatom yam me ba beto aba so a ewo no reason. O ma meto aba because ba beto aba say me ye Kramoni. Ana me boa. So
I think various research no so anchre various research part in the eye on
Facebook. Ento omo kana nkasa na research work omunye bi da. Because I go university now be wia and I research work ni ahweso do certificate aye dey ama. But omo a ni ode sa religious ayi no eye ni campaign message ni ye misa se ne first degree or yeah certificate no wa here or yeah research work here and nam so my award certificate in a man because wonye any research work be ada I nam so I do certificate here dey ama wo
but there is a party no crowd research work or yeah no
and University of Ghana, Germany, Conrad and so many research hold base in here religious yin dey into propaganda. Young fair no another propaganda or modern namne say. Yeah, na street for no air fray. Tell us what to be.
Yeah.
And I yen a fam for no fray, muntie drum for my car, minim ya bo maguba bino mo casadia. Ah, so omo casano ma bisa omo sentino omo no mo se dia basema. Wo no say full soldiers in street for no air show meboa yate ba wo consequence dia full soldiers for ni ho street for ni ho nti o man hwehwe MPP ma city ni elusu enti wo so ya popular eyeda wo ya popular na wo consequence ya wo free MPP lusu city eno na ese polling station for no free ase bisa you are popular. Una okay, sa popularity je wa na wato. Menso matima so say menso Abronye me wo ho. Aname boa, menso me ye popular. But wa wo ka say wo ye popular no, da wo ye popular. Na wo constituency. Popularity ne anya adwuma mfamma MPP. Ayeda Christopher MPP na Christopher koto aba Edema Kramoni was it because to say what did the Christopher attempt and to mbufu yana? Keke wuna mbisa u.
I'll treat this as a rhetorical question.
Very good. And it's a Christopher ewo. Akwa koto aba ma Kramoni wo kwonti Swansea dia. Ne akira ne say. Ebi odidi a Christopher attempt to omudi abufuo ekoto aba ti MPP. And what is the guarantee say? Sir Christopher Amuwa constituency the abufuo koto aba etia MPP. I'm a Muslim candidate in Armenia. What is the guarantee say? Some voices running some okan ya do be candidate dia NDC for emfanye jengo ema Christopher mpie emetia. Ntimi ya popular I say constituency na 24 years. Etimi di vote yede ebrei anya hwe kura no minim aspirant ba ko a the past MPP ya winning power Kufo 8 years Nanado 8 years 16 years ni nyina no eye contract akasia MPP mo bia nya bida ehomra yesikuo no full soldiers nim tam na no mo the past o kambo makufo 8 years Nanado 8 years sika kesia adwuma kesia de dollars bottom makama ene bre nipa no 16 years that time no when never be a danka say or kai full soldiers e biduru mra 16 years never bana wie ye no and afraid do hu say full soldiers wo baby inti men kasa na me more full soldiers fu dini say empanyfo bi didija omo na onu mom na dwene omo ho but sa nyuma na wagi the past 16 years no etimi hwa MPP full soldiers nyina but wa ma obia bi ene dia osi full soldiers in Kyle because me am it here sa na dwuma na wa ye the past 16 years no se minya ba ko a ye ma me mu ba ko a ebetima hwe bono party no akwakọ ma polling station for aka wo mo regional chama wo bono is so nyamu ba ko a ebetima hwe party no free region akwa camp polling station for omo ho ato omo wanya ye de masa nipa no and so that time na all this aska we nyina no wa more polling station for dini say me na medwene mo ho sa dwuma kese ni nyina no senka chama wontumi so nya bi mienu pa kanya ne sa asante region a omo say wontumi tim odene because asrade adwuma no wontumi anya bi wontumi anya bi ne yede ma wontumi no sa nipa ne wontumi kwapre ya afede ya se wontumi abre onya adwuma ne bi no enti yamfa we so ma wontumi no enipa ne ba kuma se ha ebe frefre mrante emma ne supporters ye press conference tia wontumi se wontumi akogye kokko road kwan we did damn people now ono no kwa ye na ya ma na adwuma ne bi no na nka openan ni nyina ye adwuma nan e wo cocoa board open ni nyina ye ana omo se o gimiensa na tama wontumi so 2016 ye kan no ye dini wontumi tum ne ye de me tum so kaya nye kumase ya no da ma de akyenye ah yeah na adwuma kwa kopiem e wo cocoa board ana yase G9 gimiensa adwuma no ye 9 akase o ji akase pa o kan nyina boma ebia $125 million enti jiweni emfa ba kon we emfa macha ma wontumi na ono so ya ne mu ayeduru wo mu firi wa no mba kumase ebe frɛ ne mranti omudi na chi okumase ya eye press conference afeya na o ma wodo adwuma no e dia ma wontumi no wo mu kotwa pictures e wo kuro no so o ma wontumi adwuma onyeye eneyi sa press conference ni video ena yoko kita odi pursue chama wontumi. That is MPP for you. Ora ho adwuma miensa adwuma nan aba miensa ye de ma nipa ne nani anso oba kumase ya ebe pe mrantie bi ma o musika so o munya press conference ntia wontumi se ya man cocoa board road wanye chaba ya wontumi ho be basem. It happened in 2023 wa wani tua and nay o makofa sa video no say a MPP for na ye press conference say ye supporters of Canada Agyapong. Until they are using that video to hold to me responsible. Oh, me say supporters. And when you don't interrupt me. Source of the video, didn't that's what I'm making you dimbo. supporters of Kennedy Agyapong.
And was a video now Kanankasa. I know of a press conference, but him say be a supporters of Kennedy Agyapong. Unless say be a video no man. I mean be confirm say be a supporters of Kennedy Agyapong. This are the
na sa woti kroma so nim ne ye ne regional coordinator ntu hu ne picture nti so hu ne picture so na se no so no wo mfa nya adwuma de a wa wasema entama wo ntumi hwe program onim sa asema me kan twe nokore nti omo de man na so hu
obi me hu de ade na ma
wonim the other side so wonim omanim nti omo de video no ba hu se
we say be a sad ya tro so because I said
me catch supporters ya tie eye nipa dua nti nipa we metima tro say we supporters shouldn't be names keke.
Oh, supporters they be a would be so your supporters there but they crowd obi to be afro be anti say okay tell be a supporters as omo e di na
chi sa nti omo di na chi ana na ma bro kan ya
and o dey me try to dey to aso firi ho I may establish here ho
nti no that time na manfo gi adokodoko di akese big projects ni nyina no Oman nyina babia mo President Kofo pensu 8 years adwuma akofo de ma o nipa dasani nyina no oti se o ka full soldiers asem na do start ya ye mo project region ben no sorry that could say ye ba 2017 ba nyina nyuma se na manyanti region bia full soldiers me donate bibia mamo ebiansi nti na wo ba be kwa abato na se o se wo na wo dwene full soldiers who are 16 years MPP administration 16 years nyuma kese no nyina no da ben wahwe MPP full soldiers e wo Kumase e wo Tamale e wo Takoradi e wo ayi Western North e wo Bono region Bono is ahafo any Borgan and Patem any Greater Accra and even Central region because sa nipa no so hwe full soldiers ya ka full soldiers ni ntimi transen kase ye ma NDC agiye seat what was here so hwe full so e ya mpasa hwe full soldiers ya nipa na MPP na man adwuma man ye e na turu adwuma no de abebo ye da akoto abatia nti sa hwe full soldiers ya mpa e ba ne sen na constituency e nam so ma akogi nnuma na enye kromafo de no mu pie koto abatia MPP nti sa asem so yenyere yemfa nto baabi na mom economic ideas
but say do cry say Dr. Baomia economic crowd titled who say ye economic messiah no
that is why you Dr. Mahmoud Baomia wono meni ahwefo nyina nim say Ghana ye nto aba man vice president a suggestion in the kankan mimi nim kura ni minim Baomia policy afiwe agidini power ndisi aban mu mu mane na okay policy ben na MPP free so ndisi baye agidini a wo maka ho asem wo international community wo
I know there's some order readily near more yegu hodom de
near me nim say policy be mienu bi eno de ndisi aban baye agidini pa one the domestic gold purchase program
okay
the Bank of Ghana governor Nancy say no London.
No or
say adia ama Ghana. Say yes economy ni ye papa nyina no. A domestic gold purchase program na Ghana ye introduce ye na. E hwan idea.
Dr. Muhammadu Baomia.
No me na me wo koforidua. Me nyesa yes o. Me timbi. Me timbi na Dr. Muhammadu Baomia je Mike or kasa no or this suggestion ye den e bae. Enya me nya obi na eba baka che me na me wo koforu dua nya ye say me timbi me tena meeting mu 5 hours for 2 days a day be I 5 hours and all this adventure na ye den e bae eno na NDC gina international community ba bia almost the domestic gold purchase gold wa a different kwame nkonma penso ye ntimi nto na ye only 8 tons of peno ye so mu na kokoduru 32 tons and no na ama international reserves na yere atima peja na eno nso no sa domestic gold purchase program no and oil for gold amanchira oil for gold na say a simple thing oil for gold no emre bi atwam no na oman Ghana enam say Ghana ye oil importing country ntino tambia no se dollar oil boy kwosoro na se ye kwa akokra ye be hia siri no adaka ma na di akwa akotua dollar ketua bi anse na ya de oil so tama oil for gold no buy no idea na ya simple say all oil agreement bia no ye sign in city oil agreement bia na ye sign in city near the gold akwa akoyere atuaka no ma accept it. What you say? Exactly. And the MDC buy no. Omo say policy ni ya papa no. E kwan ba na oye ne ba. And this is obahwa ye ba ban mu foforo no. Taxes bebre wo ha omo de to paturo so a na na do danko akofo ado be yi free so okay. And the NDC ba
your friend nuisance taxes.
Yes, in the NDC samba ban mu no ma ho say MPP gold for oil policy ni ya papa nintino. Na mom taxes ni so kase enti saade a yemfa plan bi plan ye be fa ne say yempe misi bi mfa even na me no kase no se oyiyi saade D11 ni free so a nka price a ye to a liter no enya sa na ye beto no ka bi kura ka nam 8 Ghana cedis per liter para nam so mo de D11 ni other taxes ya ba be wura mu ntino ena amana gina sa 12.45 na ye ka no because nyama amana basa ne say oyi bia ye beto bia no ye kotu sika ne in city na the gold aye dan atuaka and aban we so in a oil agreement no ye fra be future contract or forward contract and ne say ye nim say echena bi ebi abo no betima kwosoro nti ebe sign contract ne ne but ebe take effect ebi ochena nti ne atia ne say si a sign contract ne ne na se chena oye bo no kwosoro kra stira no ne me sign ye ne price ya me ko tu no agreement ne so no sign international market no de be yere wo de be mai nti most of the oil contract ya sign ye forward or future contract no and then nam so man international prices in so stabilize no and no benefit nyina ka ho bie and na oil no prices no wo from gold for oil because all oil contract in our days no near your forward contract and our future contract nyina yes and in city no mo yede wo mu gitum but emre bi atwam no na ye ntimi sign oil contract ni yakọ to sa city no.
Yeah.
So what you say? You have sign in dollars near the cities bebre akwasesa ne yakwa kotua eno na na high nti adwene ba akwa ba omia de ba ye no and nay abane say two my free gold for oil domestic gold purchase program no so no abane som da bi odin toma achichere ho hye nachi because a policy papa nti so baba ye president ya
Now maybe Abronye my yanti we flu be able to be the minute aye and one can be me de sa woka baobia gold for a year oil day near keke can we as the economic messiah be person dey be a minute or two etia no feel because edu ba bia obekọ grounds no na edu na eye propaganda no say empo no day NDC for buy ya wo kan nyina no the inflation and then be 8% na edumpo no wo hwa say cedi to dollar no so kra no eso ati say who ama bibia kokama just a minute or two now we did disabuse omo take on that lines no
you look at the economic situation at the time na ba omieka ye wo opposition no that economic situation no na nye the same as 2021 to 2024. Me probi obaka chem se ne me kanye sanete. Yeah, from bra. Womo nim anything about economic issues no mo na mo fi say yate say abantino yewura Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye lectures de boa MPP. Bawumia bone a oye ye ne to sa presidential aspirant ne say oye lectures. Echire nsemu Emma Ghana 40 MPP ase in opposition me de win power no. And the presidential aspirant ni binum say waye bone. Enti MPP for punish no. But sa lectures we nyina no na presidential aspirants for yi kokotena mu bi. No mu wi a o ma bamba omia. Otimase o mu wi a o ma bam no. Sa waye ade. Ene ya o ka sa lectures nyina na yade ba power na omunya ho tumi nya ho contract akese edi ye no na ye wo opposition no omo se Bawumia na be say MPP but time na all man lectures ma Ghana for bodge ne so anu ntira omo kwoto aba no o man ka se Bawumia say MPP that is a nipa so didi wi a na wadane aboa kokko na odina no ye en sankrofo no wo musuban omo kasa asem no wo musuban ni aboa kokko akoko difference bia nyere enim because mu didi wi a na omo do omano ayere atwitwiri fam se mo ma me hwe. Now a very intelligent question obisa say wo mo yes it's true say omo nim hwe nim omo nim ne say sit down and do a proper analysis in the sense say let us look at the economic situation between 2013 to 2016. Nasa economic situation no data na ewo honom no any world economic data no etimi de Ghana call IMF ana. The question is big no because na mismanagement there ewo. The other kind of mind be dependent on energy. No country can survive without a proper management of the energy sector. Country be anywhere. And 2013 to 2016, Ukraine to kwabia ni wiase babia. Israel ne ayi Palestinian for anase e Gaza o se hio na to kwabia no meba. Russia Ukraine to kwabia nyere eni honom. At the time no na at the international market no na yet oil trade around $57 to $62 per barrel. You can Google and see. At the time na it trade around $57 to $62 per barrel. Oil na ekrafri amanone no na sana na trade. It means na wo low meboa. Na entokwa bia ni wontina se oil flow etimi kwa ba bia nti honum no economic indication no asesa 2021 to 2020 eba kosi 2022 no ne wo covid wo ho President Mahama Anane NDC fu agi atum say na no kwa America no or say COVID di Ghana wumebwa. But MPP as a presidential aspirant for say Bawumia ka say COVID di Ghana wo boa. Unti say omna momoka. Nti abane say na fe de NDC ababe ka no kora say economy no mu ye dene a COVID ka ho. Russia Ukraine yere eka ho mebwa. Say na NDC ababe ademeti ni nyina. Nti abane say na MPP for presidential aspirant be still almost say yembremu Bawumia. If a sitting president in the person of John Dramani Mahama the international community catch say mijitum say Russia Ukraine war affect Africa me mind Ghana can who be mijitum say COVID-19 or you should the word devastating. Meboa. Yes, I know. Very good. Yamana Meka. I'm quoting his own words. And to a more baba demete say, ye di tron to me. Because NDC in opposition, all the country say, no crash say, Russia-Ukraine war, ewo effect. Or cancer onya to me. Nti ese so kase MPP for boa anaba omia boa aname boa onya to me ni wie ye no ana omo beka kire Ghana for say no kura pa ne say nsema ne ye ka no opposition say Russia Ukraine war no any effect e wo effect because say dey ye wa ba mu ye ntimi ni trobiem nti ese say ka no kura kire Ghana for say ne ye ka no 2024 no na ye campaign message ne ye petumi nti se ditro se de nokora na ba omi e kan 2024 no ya gitumi na free ni nsam no se ye be kan sa nokora nkire Ghana for and so still wo ne ba omi e pre a wo mpe ba omi a mpe MPP nkanko no wo se NDC for boa still ayem fa so bo no embo ba omi a nwaka kire me se me ma Abronye me nkodi light nto aba masa nipa Mati the data economic data no mo metna se na me misa mo question na mo so misa me questions ni ya woni ebetima yi ano anti some people are not even fit to contest because of this analysis or mo ye no they are not fit because of official was sika dadanum me no na kokoye adwuma ana wo fi say wanya sika dadana keke eyada me no na bre na ade onya sika dadana o de kwa president
Abronye ena ewo TV no so ene ewie Talk Ghana Jumedie ena wo hwede ene ewie na I have the Bruno regional chairman in the person of Kwame Bafo Abronye live with me in the studio of a year wound to me TV so edie na ya twa Jumedie no so ye won sam kakra bi a ye bebro so but me twa Jumedie so Kwame na say just last week, you were making the news all over the place. Now, you're now making news. A senior member of our party, granted an interview on a radio station. Ewo eye asante mantem ha. Na menkanme nana abrowa entibia wa asante mantem ha say. Ebi kro ebi tie nsabunu ebi entie nsabunu mu eye. Na me share that nas etie interview no back to back. Ebia me honestly bebia me te ya no e kan say MPP eba the economy na MPP krado obo anyade enti eba the say na ebia President Mahama enya 1 year no eba be lambaste eye NDC because NPP ankasa economy no omo anyade na fe he made reference to you. Now, the person will tell you facts of the case, now, all case President Kufuor Kasase ABI Unity Chairman, former Chairman for the Mbreb. Now, Bruno Regional Chairman, Kwame Bafo Abronye. What sorry, Jinaho? Not just say, wow, more or less, what rubbish or Mampeni Dada Kufuor then some. At the point today, be a SMTB say MPP crowd votes no interchanges, money and Shada Anye, and was sentimental. See, these are some of the takeaways I want to say. But why, Kwame? About the same.
Before that, now, you know, on the issue of dollar, say, Yemfa dollar in your politics. Sanka about the stability of dollar in this country. Nkampi and lose power 2008.
About the stability of dollar and
the stability of dollar in this country. Can lose power the year 2008. Ask me why. Because 2008, unim NDC campaign message. The campaign message of the NDC ne say, "O mampanyinda da akufo ne na pontis no, o mo ya akromfo. Se wabusuani e wa abrochire na o ma no $1 ne de 1 cedi amount. Nti MPP for ya akromfo nti enkofie. Enne enkranketo bi at 2008. No mu war class 2. Nkrankitin kra toto fifi wa. at the WhatsApp platform because Omanyina Mobia Momo 300 Ghana. And Momo to WhatsApp platform so say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Kasem sa wabachi dollar wantiman chini say ni say e ka ho bi ni elusu ye. Keke. And this message me 2008 campaign me ye seriously involved. Ye gina brekum and this gina brekum abonten so a abogafo free dodoa no ma so mike mu say MPP for ya kromfo na obusuani ma na obroni sika ne de Ghana sika e de ama ketewa bi na nya sa na ebu man asema me ka minim se mpayimfo a di campaign achi no me kai mo. That was the NDC campaign message. Say a banner say no be bro broni sika se unya bebre na kofo say yema wo $1 eye 1 Ghana series eye krono enu nti na MPP akofa 1 Ghana series aba nti eye krono ye free abai mu no na $1 eye 1 Ghana series 20 pesos.
Yeah
2008.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Now your currency is one of the best performing currency in Africa. And $1 but we lost because and this is now say kufuati ma ye dollar ni ya etroba ni yenkodi. Because mo de ba se ma mo bebrebe near the city ade ama mo ketua bi na nyesa na Nigeria fo ye no nyesa nso no mbo o enti eneyi NDC for no sorry na so MPP for no binum say Bawumia anye dollar year. The question is 2008 so no dollar ne ma elusu ya na. Mummy say MPP presidential aspirant no mo dia gu Bawumia so say Bawumia ntima anye dollar ni yi. Eno ka bi ne elusu ye no. 2008 dollar ne ma elusu aba no. No, it's a simple question. And yet, I dollar to city rate, you know, and the Maya Lusu 2008. Sanka no Kwandia, now $1 in 2008, you know, now you 1 city 20 pesos, but we lost. And to that argument, no more catch the polling station for no, me some the polling station for no Kaimo say 2008 year kwa but one now $1. Aye 1 Ghana series 20 pesos. And the dollar rate yasem. Because at that time, so no, Yabaka say Bawumia, no, your deputy governor. Into a mo year dollar ni year man be year 1 Ghana is 20 pesos anameboa. But we lost. Into that seven yam fan tour. Now let's come.
Okay, me pa cho chebi sim.
Ubi say Dr. Richard Anane and or bad profile. And what be some so be
bad Kwame. I don't know the member.
Oh, profile.
Me profile.
Oh, profile. Until me can't take for who say profile na your papa na
I would the profile.
Nedika a Dr. Richard Anane. And MPP internal elections. Open nipa or debatum from mamu say Asante ene achemfo ewo program nti mo to aba e man santifo to aba ma nanado danko akofo Dr. Richard Anane de bai.
I don't recall him saying that.
Maybe my publication to was Dr. 2007 on this message in call babia 2010 or repeat o mantie nasem 2014 ye baba to aba enna osan be kan ye ma City FM me fansendo
fansende be na me so me verify abi I don't think I
2014 odibatum no enna odibatum asem o kan ye na president Kofo Akufo-Addo o say nanado danko Akufo-Addo ompe Kofo asem one Kofo yeden e wo problem enti eni kwan say primary sina ombe kono Asante delegates eni kwan so omoto abayele e ma nanado danko Akufo-Addo Asante delegates. Nti me de asendo ubehu publication ya Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ba bontin be issue a strong release as CTFM publish here. No chire mu say asema Dr. Richard Anane kan ye no kura bi anyere enim. Nti so ye party ni na so ye party ni ampa. Won support me a fine. But say wo dey ba beto abontin say me mpekofo asem menene wo problem ti aman santi delegates meto aba mamia na che say asem na go e man na do kra to aso ka say year no 2014 no wa visit for 2 days ana Richard Anane this propaganda no be ebetu mu no kra bi anyere enim propaganda e de traba wo obeyere ebeba propaganda about destroy MPP forever and ever or the babetum Dr. Richard or the betum my CTFM publication in Sama Waka enyina ebai o this atrona chire no mu hu say enye nokore no region o mu tire Akufo-Addo atikese pa ma no we ne presidential prime minister no enam sa atrona obedi yenti Ema 2014, almost 98% of the parliamentarians in Asante region declared support at the man Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo because of Dr. Richard Anane Traoré Odiye at the time. Editi Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Some of the Asando who will CTFM publication.
Yeah, me.
Ni profile ba ko audit fie ni say. Ye to aba no wie ya se Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo de e de se wi ase foforo ba bie na obetima di president MPP ni on na sia say but o da bia o kasa so ye founding member nya nokore founding members o fa Asante region ni dini nim o kwa national so ni dini kan ho that is a fact me set records no straight Asante region ye wo mo founding members national founding members wo ho o babuno region me founding member onu na gina party na mu e wo national your friend Prince Yebo Amafo Asante region founding members Dr. Richard Anane dinin ka ho na ya o mu tuatua sika man centrophobia wo mu ye publication o mu say founding member one for member on ka ho bi
but so you senior or your respected former member of parliament for Ishiayeso constituency.
Yes, our position no manya bi atraso. Me de kura me senior. Me de kura Maduru say. Me Maduru say. Onye senior member
say night that.
Yes, me de Maduru say night. Tio, onye senior one people mun chemi a me no tie.
Oh, na so you senior.
Senior sem fie mu dia fine by party when you senior chairman. I'm a regional chairman.
Oh, na say yes, you are regional chairman.
Yes, the
respected
Anane. Obi aso so me respected. Nti fato nchen. We are respected and nitro. And try wadi Canada ma bie mu acho wie ye no. A odi try nya sa na Asante MPs e ba be declare. Say because of Nintronity, Ombedi Nanado a Chikopin so by winning. Emma Nanado won massively in Asante region. Because of a tra no dia kedi Asante ni a Chemontokweba. That is Richard Anane.
But I don't know, stating emphatically interview, me say, Obisa Dr. Ba Obia say, Pam no. But say the boss. Nanda Adudanko Akufo-Addo Pam no na.
O de me to me kado to boase mount up so ko bi nchen to boase. O wie ye no. Ana o ka kire wiase nyina se na Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo be president ya. Etra na ka edi ntokwa ba Asante ni achim ntokwa na odi ya. Nka edi ntokwa ba because of politics inti or because of Akufo-Addo asem no. And 1 year Akufo-Addo we or say Akufo-Addo do be president ya. E di se wiase foforo. Nka say Yesu maye tosu mienu. Mbata o kan na wanga. Wo mi bisaw.
Oh, maybe I mean Kaibi, but near my even said recently in interview crowd time, say I don't know the or no a beside the and I just want to say he didn't see eye to eye with a yana to thank you.
And to another to be the president of Ghana, and it's a real for fry actually. I don't know what they made, but it could be
the publication. Okay, publications. Don't okay, what the economy ready city near
yes, city Ghana where publication. Okay, and so Osakufo be the president. The next word.
All right, let me. Let's see. What they
Dr. Richard Anane. Obia ono so odo MPP a wadimu ministers. Ahodo from various ministry no. Ono nkoa ni position bo no as MP no o se MPP fu aka nyina nkwa ahokyerem nti MPP de nipa na yakoyi ni no odi president enye den enye yedi se Yesu maya etoso mienu but okasa asem no mene woni ada the teaming party members ya omo hwe wuntumin anumre no yabama mo ye pie kokoye adwuma eka se wiase foforo na ne yebema na na do di president yamana ni enti ko kan yes asa ne yabambu ye ne ekodi onu na chi a nka mpipike ya ma power kora mfa free education ama ana meboa enti ne nsema oka emwa party no because ono onya MPB enti MPP ngu o say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ma meyi ni mfiri mu dia ne edi kan wona ase na nado danko akofo ado ayi wa firi ko num mini se won kan ho biem nti oku ayi wa firi mu dada no eye da obi sana be yi wa firi mu ada e double jeopardy ana e double jeopardy asem ne ye kan yana ekuo no ono ase ana asem o kan yira firi no o se na Bawumia meyi o mu mfirim se de na nado yi o mu firim ekuo no wa o se yi wa firim dada nti Bawumia sana ba be yi mu akwahin.
But so the question was put, say you on in table to say, so you're fine. Last time, no, cause be you know free to say yeah.
That question say you going na na do you were free. Meaning say won ka ho. Nti Bawumia sana ba be you akọ PNC ana do kwai. Me bisaw.
Ono na nyaadwe no so yodo. Was sideline no.
Asem ne straight ya said the osi kan no. Mo pe konkonsa dia na mo se asem no mo pese mo doje. Konkonsa o pese odie no me na nyaadwe no se obi say na nado ayi na free MPP no obi say Bawumia so meyi ni mfiri ba de ko no se na nado ayi wa free
say na nado ko.
Oh please we see ya ekuo bia ye you free mu a you are no more a member. Announce here association ye you free mu a you are no more a member. Nti obi say Bawumia say ono so ma meyi mfiri mu a ba bia wo sisi a wo se na nado ayi wa Bawumia be pushi wa ko PNC na CPP. Maybe so. And so that is the propaganda say. Nana and no trese nana do nyi nimfiri mu. No ne primary so lusu yenti and when ya adwene say we free MPP mu. Into onya MPP adwuma. Into oni any right.
Na say no cross trese nana do ne mastermind do lusu.
The parliament seat. But 2015 ono kwa MP lusu primaries. Nti ada na tambi ohu no ho special. 2015 me bisa wo keke asante mantam ha ono kwa na lusu primaries
Debbie
anya ono kwa mbo a
anya ono kwa
akotwa free one lusu primaries ana unim so lusu primaries akotwa free former agric minister one lusu primaries nya that time na Richard na lusu primaries safere wa hu enti ulusu ye no nipa be say Sunday na kwoto aba na anya 80 nti fa 80 kwotranse enti wo no se ya yiwa free mu because na wo mo maka no na do na damfo pa one ne nam elusu primaries 2015 nti na do temi ma obi lusu primaries dia ese se o maka na damfo one ne nam we ne primaries.
Yeah.
Because me to me
say our magic wand na and can mo be lose a really dear
Nanado wo magicia otimi koyi obi free parliament say monto abanti ane dia na damfo ne nam so that same year no ye call primary so nso lusuye nti adantra Nanado timi mastermind ema wo lusu na ono ana damfo pa de ontimi mastermind man wini logic no wo fine woni akoto afriye nyina na lusu primary that same year akoto afriye one Nanado tena one car mu 2014 eba omu ko babia omu nte one car mu olusu primaries mebwa
yeah
nti ana na wo de no kwa de akoto afriye a oye Nanado adamfo Nanado a mastermind ama na anwene na wo de okolusu ya wo se Nanado no ochehene ti eastern region eto amba bi okofa asem na ba Nanado de ochehene firi Kumase ba ha ema ne manchia delegates be kasai so omonto abanti awro rechara na me because wo ka parliament ya ye be ma oppose nti na ya metom krofo o ma cha o parliament o manya appointment another bi o hunu so ye special onya special e manin kare ne ho say o hunu ho so ye special person never say me ye me free ho because me ka ho a ne ye ba ye be ma me post kire say wo ye power corrupt ne udi no mampanyini kofo penso nyina wa me wo san purpose e mani hu ni so ye special person na ye chiche post na o we ne primary sin ko aka post no onya bi ko onya bi because who person chese wo ye special person into wo lusu aba e Nanado na nadamfo so lusu aba a one Nanado na didi bom e koba ye bibia lusu aba enti eno no so ye ntro. Let's come to President Kofu Asem. The whole of this year, President Kofu Aba meeting back. So, the video now, or say, President Kofu suggested say, early presidential primaries in your papa. Yes, I know kind.
Top bottom down, top bottom.
And your papa, and Tiam fat time and for any BBA, Macau near ye, and Abronye so on Tiasia man Kofu Gurumi. But your idea enye sanetia party for so montiasian e that 31st year kotwaba. Let us assume say President Kofu suggest no party ni jitu mu na meme nko na me oppose ye ana meboa nti meme nko me oppose say ekoto ntem na ye to ntem ana won dem ase in the video ni ti asem ni yo was President Kofu suggest say top down approach presidential yina ye kwato na nya papa nti ye twentwen so ne ye mfa chairman for dada bi meka ho ne organize party no and Abronye soro so ntia
because Paula so te Paula Fokudin ho kro de bana just say wo KSA de no in ye Paula Fokudin ho
and I'm say me say house no nyina say President Kofu suggesting no ya dia tum say top down approach no enye papa nti ye mfa chairman fo nyina meka ho eno na fio fo gitu meboa say utie video so omu huru meboa nti say no ye to presidential affairs ya na say ye to mane wo keke mbisa say top down approach no eno na ye de adwuma na nye no
31st January de eno na ekro
nti say me ye reject huru me masem na ye adwuma se na sem na yehuro Abronye wo ho meeting ase no eno na ye adwuma 31st won se wo di try na nyame nsa ni so a na nyame ni hata so nim se wo fie no watwere se me kwa meka se afa ochehene ho watwere se me kwa meditro afa akofo adon watwere se obeditro afa Abronye ho okodure na nyame de aba esan pai ade na mu atemienu no osam pai mu mienu.
I allow that to fly because Chairman Butin so ababonte say it's not entirely
a threat. See that's sanity entini nyame dia ba echemu mienu se de achem dada na obiem because all free fie no opran se meditro agu kofo so Abronye so meditro agu ochehene so matake akofo ado matake hakma osu ageman meka se MPP kura economy na omanyere omanye ne yie nti oba MPP bankrofo we ne de me koi de me na omode nti owie ya na odi tro no ana tro na odi no Nyankopon nam kwan bi so se nanim nyare enwase eningwase ane se President Kufuor the proposal by ema omugi tuma Abronye nkwa na amfo so and so sa proposal yi na eya adwuma 31st.
But encounter BC was there some sort of confusion?
Like say
meeting because we are confusing BC.
Facade papa na sem to baby. O say this a next word na MPP be ba na ye adwuma de MPP aba. Na me nko ye adwuma. Na me ntena Ghana ha na me nhwe say ye mfrɛ wo ma post because wo head cut bi ni MPP mo. Me nko ye adwuma party I will say MPP baba power this is the next one na ka me ma Abronye makoye adwuma ne matena se ahwe say President Akufo-Addo be friend Dr. Richard Anane no one man post to say Dr. Richard Anane be gi post all because we head cut ni three good.
I don't need it. She said no just said about me no so that so bisa on the plus said about me
don't put it kanaka say ekuo no nka ho nto afirim onko said na onka ho ye ba power no with or without him no ye be san we need 2028 with or without him etimo bi nka say ye opposition till we need the numbers ni bi wo ha ye nkate born let's tell them the fact numbers ni bi wo ha enka say wo opposition ti and this nanu ada ye unim nipa ye yi wo madi 2024 nationwide NDC anyi nipa di kura no eboro kura to 7,000 wo ya ne apam enso na omo opposition enti nipa bi wo ha numbers ni bi wo ha eyen kateboni
plus 1 vote
na plus 1 vote don't ask me plus 1 vote and also answer one to abama MPP 2016 one to Abama MPP 2020.
But social committees. He still remains a member
meeting where me see why meeting official meeting BI or MPP mo eye constituency. Asa sem electoral area ne polling station for be yo mu meeting no ma report e de ama constituency na aba national no. Regional executive meeting was Santo region Dr. Richard Anane nka ho. Wonim sa MPP National Executive Committee, Dr. Richard Anane nka ho. MPP National Council, Dr. Richard Anane
and then the meeting ben also ogui.
Anya bisane.
Because okay, I think that may person I think so mention meeting beside and so ko meeting but because also ko meeting. I really
say bisane. That is why a national chairman say meeting no kwa Richard Anane nka ho. No nka ho so that. Anti MPP about winning with or without Richard Anane because we have done it before. We have won election without Richard Anane. We have won 2 elections without Richard Anane. And we are going to win the next election with Dr. Baumia without Richard Anane. And the poverty to my baby journey. And more bison tinaba bi misase keke uba mudaben. Panyini bia na aspirant bia na presidential candidate bia na say to send your Richard Anane kana we ba mu daben na we ba mu daben no me for me it doesn't make sense to say party panyini bia be bisa sa asem no wo bisa sa you won't take political organization as say because yet every party bia no your constitution ne say as say make sure say yebenya membership anameboa enti se nipa du kwakotena se ne se te the new patriotic party no obi be bisa say uba mu daban a opasa this so no anwudi a obi ama join
so bisa bo ba mu daban dia na chese mo na mo say party no
what are you saying what can say party ni this is the next word me the publication ma wo no utimi kenkan wo ka say party ni this is the next word and yeah say party ni the party ni ba power meboa adia na wo nka ho na akwatena nchen say obu afu ko na yesi koye nkrokro wo koye anwene ya wini and ya ba power nti ya ba ya na yesi wo ho ofe I mean who baby as I won fan war near frost a beji post will be am frost. Nobody's ready to do that. Huh? Sadiana na mode tena ha mo be ka kire ye say the language and not politics no go course politics na twam and not politics no yeah no wasama be kana e was so many interpretation. So beside me with all my experience in the party, with all the experience ya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia from deputy governor or the Asuma MPP abesi ne. Now beside me so Bawumia abe Lydia. Near a china ne kon dose oba MPP no fi so beba because nim so oba party ni nya to me a china mo ba question no. Oba be pe bibia o se no ya na oba join ye. Sam panfo no na egu kuo no. Frabera bia o nama obeka kire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say Obamu da ben no. Sa Frabera no pese o win power or win primaries no wi a on here new members. Frabera fo na omu bisa Bawumia say Obamu da ben no pese o kire say omu din ba abonum 2022 no on here omu votes. Ebi wa ha 2022 ya the first time I obey delegate no nti kwa unam wo ye Frabera aspirant munam na mu bisa se me na mache Bawumia de wonu ti otena kuo mu 24 years no bi tena mu 18 years and now the same 24 years. What is the difference? Enti wo ka kire o mu a 2022 ya o mu dini ba abonum. Are you getting me? 2022 ya no mu dini ba abonum. Abrante ni dini ba abonum 2022. Mini so sha. Ye brumu kwaba nyina onyere. No onim. Nti afa na wanya akwanya ni dini aba abonum. No wakwa akobisa no. Wabisa no se ofori wo ba mu dabe. No wakwa akoto aba ma. Enti obia oba mu 2014. 2018 2022 bia no ka kire o mo say Bawumia atimi edina bam let's assume say Bawumia kra ba ko no 2007 yeah ono oba mu 2007 to 2018 and 2023 no uso ye ho what about eneya no ni ono na 2022 afa na ni dina ba abonum de na wo ka kire no. Enti wamu pese yentu abanti Bawumia no wamu message ni se Bawumia ncheye. What about polling station for na omu dini ba abonu 2018 2022 a wo so omu na meto aba ma no because officially say afa na wabenya executive position meboa in 2018 afa na wabenya executive position in 2022 ono so indirectly directly no wo ka kire sa nipa no so ono so ncheye but cha on cheye no o meto aba ma na be presidential candidate na be the president eye wasema now aya for nsem na omu issue ye na ayi no we don't have time for them because asanteman Asante Youth Association. I'm a catcher, remember my addition Kroma. So what I say now to me issue statement. Say Obini Richaranya Anya Banta. But I'm a want to me quite team I have one issue statement. Asante Youth Association statement omu issue ye atitia chama want to me call mu and this in some. This year no statement omo dia ba bonten we
me hu bi de
na wabisa omo wabisa omo
da bi nko bisa o
omo leadership no me omo one by one ni edi kan political meaning how corrupt they are because want to me ma omo sika until they only need money to do something Oh, then
Abronye.
And a young complete.
Kwabe ba from Abronye.
Sa na meka no.
Me die bi nim musikas.
Ane atwe ho
And one say be after.
Yenkoye na wonu issue disclaimer and let's proceed.
Quite unfortunately the time swas.
Matthias here, but let me ultimate frame ayen lande. Tie
iti beba epia be ko bo tia be na so the time and they are past 6 abo iti omo aye man iti bia be cha kura ni 2 minutes.
No problem.
Sorry, why
ati wotie sa association no mu ni ho sa Santeman development never obi obaka to sa Santeman youth association wo for Asante development boa omu yusu din no sa omu botombe yie ukọ American embassy let us da ha o ma twere endorse nkrofo say ye ma o visa ukọ Canadian embassy
why no na endorse
the letter o letter head no o twere
me pa cho bi di was kwabe yapon Kwame,
please.
Yeah, Paul, any na ka because you mean it was be ba.
What the not? What language is that? Be me ka say man. You don't call somebody to who your host who your host tie.
Eh be a wona wudi ma. Me dim was.
Tie journalism. Let me tell you, journalism. You don't call a guest. No I catch a guest and say asem wa wo ka woni one.
There be. It could be say you are right.
But don't say that. Who I say what
okay. As a host, as a mommy evidence. Say be at this point in time, no.
Please.
Or the letterhead echo ye say. I don't know the avenue in the answer. Said the American doctor that it one mommy publications. Please
listen to me. No. Publication no. Man find my wo for all consumption.
Oh, said the other as a host so no. What do you for evidence said they are publications.
What about Crawford mo one body who request see no. Let's show I can say yes as
the time by now.
So what be a say who request a woman who request a woman
say woman be evidence be able to be reading from your head. I don't care. But say you of the
no men can say team say Asanteman Youth Association one woman for Asante development be ebe koso bia no Asanteman ro tumfo na kopen mpuntuo the America kira on say wo as a journalist ye kira investigation so kan wo dima no ho and America kira say go to ne kira say
say he who must
listen please
who will law background who will law background
na odi say
law background
na me catch us say discussing na me no ye and me catch us say ukọ American embassy ukọ Canadian embassy ukọ UK embassy ye won krofo a wo mo pa visa this youth association no aye letter dey support wo mo nanim ne afiri mu ba ne afiri mu ba no a wo mu nya afiri mu no
say be your members
no
maybe I don't be members of that
ne afiri mu ba mo nya members near free mu ba that letter na mo de support no ufre Asanteman Youth Association boho kromuntu bi hospital ba omuntu obi ma Asanteman wo montemi nya bibibia say e hafo yi no an say near free mu ba letter na mo de support nkrofo mo pevisa no near free mu ba no e ye leadership nipa numbi no makoye hu adwuma je enye boho ensi hospital. What is Asanteman ya Asanteman? But leadership no Asante Youth Association no kuo papa. Na mom leadership no say eniema efiri mu ba ofori pevisa. No man
say me no member. Who ni mom members?
Miss please. Me say me ya this your kroma so keep quiet.
I won't keep quiet.
O just here. Enti niema dokwadokwa di efiri mu ba no. What is say o say hospital bed ko ma donate bi da. But ye nim sa nkrofo na mo de letter support ni o mutua mamo na enipa numa akoche sika na di otumfo Asanteman wura na kope ni mpuntuo ba Asanteman Youth Association no die na o ma ya ma Asanteman sika wodo o ma gifree cooperative institutions
Kwame enu na be se be ma onka yapon be time no kra tra Marie